So if you want to order and buy on TikTok shop, it's pretty simple. So go to the TikTok shop, or the TikTok account which sells the item. So just do the shopping as you normally do. Select which item you want to buy. So for example, if you've got this item here, if you want to buy it, just tap on the buy option, or if you want to like put it in cart, I can select the cart icon here. So either way, just tap on the buy option to buy it. So I'm going to click on the buy option. So once you click on buy, this will be added to your cart. So once you get to the checkout page here, so now you're going to click on the shipping address to add your shipping address. So tap on it, add your shipping address, and under the payment method here, click on view and then select the payment method and how you want to use. So which payment method, do that. And once you're done with that, so I've selected everything, your payment method and everything, all you have to do is hit on place order, and that's it. Your order will be placed. So this is basically how you normally like buy on TikTok shop. It's very similar to all any other e-commerce platforms and website. The process is pretty much same.